Hey guys, thanks very much for joining in. You're welcome back to my Producer Journey channel. I'm Naresh and I'm taking you through a 6-stage process on goal setting. Now, so far we've discussed the vision, we've discussed the goal, we've discussed objectives, and so, centrally to all of this is the dream that we're trying to achieve here. We're now moving on to another level of granularity in this framework. And this is where I guess things now will become more apparent on what you're going to have to do. Up until this stage, we've been, pen to paper, really mind-based as to what we're thinking we're going to go and achieve and what results we want. But now we're going to get down to the nuts and bolts. Now we're going to talk about projects. Projects are small elements, again, smaller elements, but they're looking specifically to achieve that objective that you've just set, that result that you're looking to get within that time frame. Now, projects, if any of you come from a project background, they can be as large projects. Projects can form multiple projects, part of a program, and we could say that a collective goal could form a program in which that have multiple outcomes in which these projects now feed into. So this is what I want to now start to think about. What projects will you be taking on in order to deliver this result? So let's try and look at an example here. And within our context of our field here, if I want to produce by the end of first quarter, let's say, 3 tracks, I will need to have set up a project that will enable 3 tracks to be built. I will need to have resources behind that, and that resources can be people as well and help that you may enlist in terms of feedback. But more importantly, you're going to have to put some time into this. Time is an element of resource, and so is finance. But time, so let's look at that. That could be something that you're committing yourself to a day, in a week, or perhaps 30 minutes every day writing music, and then allocating some time to kind of take it into the next stages of arrangement, mix down, finalize, mastering, and then and releasing. So these are projects. So you may have set up 3 projects that have the outcome of delivering 3 tracks, or maybe just one project that has the outcome of delivering 3 tracks, and you schedule your time within those projects of what you're going to do, and how long you're going to spend doing that project to deliver that outcome. So that's the project stage. I hope that helps. Start to think about what you're going to have to now do to achieve that result, i.e. the objective, and you should start to see, when you start to map it back up, how these incrementally feed up to the ultimate vision and the dream that you're trying to achieve. Well, I'm going to leave it there. In the next video, this is going to be the last stage that we'll be talking about, and that is the activities or the smaller components of tasks that we now need to do. So I hope that's been helpful. Again, comment in the comment section below. Any thoughts and any views, most welcome. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.